Do you want to start shopping online? Are your family members having trouble sending you appliances from overseas? Or maybe you already have a shipping company, but you're just checking out for a better option. Boy, do I have news for you. My name is Leah, a representative of Shop and Relax, and I'm here to tell you how you can ship and save simply by signing up. We offer quick delivery, hassle-free processing, and superior savings options. For superior savings options, it comes in the form of our free shipping coupons. This is something that is given out once every 3 months. You can also get even more simply by joining our Platinum membership. Our Platinum membership has zero subscription fee. In other words, it's free. If you're liking what you're hearing so far, please don't hesitate to go ahead and sign up directly below. And you can also check out some of the testimonials of some of our real-life customers. With the services here at Shop and Relax, there are a lot of different items you may choose to ship with us, which would include microwaves, ovens, televisions, refrigerators, flat rate boxes, smaller packages, and of course, there are no limits to the amount of packages you may choose to ship. There are, of course, restrictions to certain items, which are items that may appear on the customs list of prohibited items. Now that I've given you all the incentives you need to go ahead to take advantage of our services, I'm going to go through the 4 easy steps to sign up. Step 1. What you'll need to do is to go ahead to fill in your information below, and don't forget to create your new username and password. Of course, all this information is kept confidential. It will not be shared with any other third party. Now, for step 2, what you want to do is to go ahead and check your email. We would have sent you an email with a verification link. You'll need to hit that link in order to activate the account before you'll be able to use it. Once you've activated it, we'll take you right back to the home page where you sign in. This takes us to step 3 in the process. And now that you're at step 3, it means that you would have already verified the link that would have been sent to your email address. It's going to take you straight back to our home page. That's where you're going to be signing in using the new password and the new username you would have previously created. Once you've signed in successfully, you're going to see an option that says Upload Government ID. You're going to need either a photograph of the back and front of your ID, or a scan can also be attached. We are going to need this copy of your ID in order to clear your items through customs. Step 4. Now for step 4 on the list, what you're really going to be doing is nosing a heading that says My USA Address. This is a Florida mailbox address that's unique to each customer. This is going to be your shipping address whenever you shop on the website. These websites may be Amazon, Shein, Pretty Little Thing, Fashion Nova, whichever website you're going on to go ahead to do your shipping and shopping. Now that I've brought you through the process of creating your online shipping account, please be reminded that it's free to join and rewarding to stay. It's Nia, reporting for Shop and Relax. Don't forget to sign up.